Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Firebase Hosting, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Firebase Hosting, first, open your web browser. Go to the Firebase website at firebase.google.com. Click on the Get Started button in the top right corner. If you don't already have a Google account, create one. Sign in to your Google account to access Firebase. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Firebase console. Click on Create a Project to start a new Firebase project. Enter a name for your project and click Continue. You may choose to enable Google Analytics for your project. If you want to enable it, select the appropriate options and click Create Project. Wait for Firebase to set up your project, and then click Continue. You will now see your project's dashboard. On the left sidebar, locate and click on Hosting. Next, click on Get Started. You will be prompted to install the Firebase CLI, which enables you to deploy your project. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type npm install g Firebase tools to install the Firebase CLI. Once the installation is complete, log into Firebase using the command Firebase login. Follow the instructions to authenticate your Firebase account. Return to the terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run Firebase init to initialize Firebase hosting for your project. You will see a list of Firebase features. Use the arrow keys to navigate. Select Hosting, configure and deploy Firebase hosting sites and hit Enter. Choose the project you just created from the list. When prompted, select Create a new project. Set the public directory where your site files will be stored, for example, dist or public. You may also choose to configure it as a single-page app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step